Hello and very welcome to a new video. Frank from Kreuzberg Audio here. Today I would like to introduce my latest plugin, which is called the Rumble Forge. Yeah, and guess what it does? Exactly, it creates very nice techno rumbles that always fit to your kick. And the way it works is that there is a kick detection and also a pitch detection, and that leads to the fact that it listens, so to say, to the tune of your kick and always iterate based on the detection, even if you swap kicks. So let me start this again and listen to the difference. I reduce the wet signal. That's the raw kick, and that's the generated rumble. So the way it works is that you have 9 different slots, and in those slots you have 11 different modules you can set up in parallel, and each module has different effects. Some of them are real sub-bass generators, some are effects like reverbs, some are grains, and so there's a lot of variation you can get with this. And also there's a lot of presets you can directly choose out of the box, but also it's pretty handy and easy to remove those, as you can see here. Let's go to the kick and just add different kind of modules and then play around. And each model has different, different characteristics and different algorithms and different parameters, and the magic begins if you interact with a lot of different in combination. You really need to have headphones because a lot is happening, of course, in the low end. And by the way, there's also a meter function here. You can also see what's really happening because some of the presets and of the effect change the width of the signal. So you have also control over that. And as you can see here, there's the possibility of lowering the bass frequency. And also there's a high pass filter, which high passes the signal. Which makes sense is there's a sidechain where you can play with. So if you can, this is the sidechain signal that gets sidechain signal that feeds in, but also you can change the time signature. You can change the curve, the release. You can let it swing. Change the groove itself. Also, there's an additional functionality if an effect does not pump, or let's put it the other way around. If an effect does not give this typical offbeat feeling, you can intensify this by switch on this. This is a tempo lock groove pump, which adds to the ducking signal, and you can change it here. So here's the swell and here's the pump. There's a global dry wet signal, but you can also solo it. Let's go for another preset. Let's go for some more, let's say, whatever. So let's keep it like that. And what you can do, you can always solo it. There's also a brick wall limiter here. And again, plenty of super nice presets. There's a master effect chain here. You can use a compressor here and add additional saturation to the whole chain. And there's a tilt EQ. But in all slots there's an additional low pass filter. So you can also change the filter here. And here you can clearly listen to the difference if you put that pump on. It gets definitely more shifted to the offbeat groove. So it's cool if this is more duct and this is more open, so it gets this nice glued together feeling. You could change also the width here in the master chain. And as always, in every Kreuzberg Audio plugin, there's a possibility to enable the tooltips, which are on by default, and change it to the lights theme if you more prefer this one. And they are highly responsive. And yeah, so I have also this Bitwig kick here. Let's put this settings to dark again. I prefer the dark theme, and let's have a listen. It's a simple 909 kick. So let's run some presets. So if I change the tune or the tuning, also it will follow. And that's very important that this is always in tune. This is more of a drone type of sub foundation, and if you think this is not enough on the offbeat, just enable groove again and it will pump on the offbeat a little bit more. And you can also change the depth of the sidechain, of course. This is already more of an offbeat bass now. This is also a good example how the pitch envelope follows the curve here. If I tune it up, it directly follows. This is massive sub. Again, you have to wear a headphone or otherwise, or have a good sub to really get what it does. Yes, I think you get the idea. At the end, it's a very handy tool, because this is something you would do normally in the whole kick chain, and then it's baked in, and if you add another kick, everything has to retune. But in this plugin, it works perfectly automatically. And also the offered modules are very interesting, and yeah, a collection of most of the techniques that are available to create those kind of rumbles. So you can download, as always, the plugin from my Kreuzberg Audio webpage. Thanks a lot for watching. By the way, there's a demo, so you can try it out. If you have any comments, please leave it down below. I would be very pleased. Also for suggestions, I'm very open for everything and every input. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time, and bye-bye.